One or two of you in the crowd know this story, so this is for you.
Say it's for me too.
It's for Mac as well.
Yeah. Say it's for me.
Everyone, the 11th and 12th grade boys! Here's my story. When I was a child, I had a pet bird. My pet bird's name was Nevitz. Nevitz and I did everything together. I would often do my homework with Nevitz on my shoulder. Nevitz and I would often go to the park. Sometimes he would fly around and come back to my shoulder. It was amazing. I love that bird more than life itself. So, I went off to college. My mom said, you don't need to have a bird your first year of college. I am going to keep Nevitz for you while you're at college. Well, I was heartbroken. I said, Mom, I'm leaving. You're going to need some companionship. I'll let him stay. You can watch him. So we did that, and she loved that bird as well. They often would go for walks as well, just like we would. Mom would take him to work. He would fly around her office. People loved him. But then one dreaded day, I got the call. Nevitz had died of natural causes. So I was heartbroken. So I told my roommates, I said, I just got to go take a walk for a while. So I went and found a park, sat on a bench, looked up at all the birds just flying around, and I began to shed a tear for Nevitz because he often loved to fly with the birds. But then I thought to myself, Nevitz wouldn't want this. He would want me to be happy. So I decided to write a song. This song is the song I wrote for Nevitz.